Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating this purple smoky look with this ombre lip with a topping of gloss. It's giving me the feels. I'm loving it. So if you want to see how I created this, keep on watching. Now I'm going to be using the Eye Perfection Primer by Florma, and this is in 04 Bright Illuminator. Now I'm going to be using the Luminous Silk Quattro eyeshadow. This is number 04. I'm going to be applying this on my inner and outer corner of my eye. Guys, check out how pigmented this eyeshadow is. Absolutely stunning. I literally just tap. Look at that. I'm just softening the edges, as you can see. You can go in with the same brush and apply some more of the purple, just to intensify where you've blended a bit too much. Going in with the brush that I used to apply my eyeshadow base, I'm just going to soften up the middle here, so I don't want too much eyeshadow in the middle. Now I'm still taking my blending brush and kind of creating a triangle in the middle of my eye. Like so. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and add this light purple in the middle here. And then taking the lighter pink, applying it even more dead into the center. And then taking a more flat brush and using the white and applying a prominent line in the middle. And then taking this pinks and applying it on the inner corner. Don't be scared to go back in with that dark purple and just intensify this. Now I'm going to be applying my lashes. Hi Sphinx. So I'm going to be applying my J1 Jelly Pack Primer from Glow Theory. Quickly going in with my soap trick, spraying with some setting spray. Getting a lot of the product on my spoolie, as you can see, quite a good amount. And then just brushing my hairs up. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Note Mattifying Extreme Waterproof Foundation. This is SPF 15 and my shade is 102. I am seriously falling in love with this foundation. I don't know what is up with these affordable brands lately that are just launching such amazing products. But this is definitely a foundation that I'm starting to grab more often. As you can see, I used quite a bit already. I got this recently and I think I used it in my makeup routine probably like over 5 times, and I have quite a lot of foundations for me to grab one of the same foundation more than 5 times since I got it quite recently. So I'm definitely going to start to try more of this brand, because I didn't think that I would love this stuff so much, but I am trying to do more affordable makeup tutorials for you guys. That's the main thing that everybody asks for. Just use affordable stuff. It's quite a thick texture actually, and I love the smell of it. The finish is really beautiful. The coverage is unbelievable. It says matte, but it still leaves a glow, which is the best thing you can ask for in a foundation. If a foundation is matte, yet it still has like this sheen to it. Like, what more could you ask? Oh, so how I actually fell in love with this foundation was when I did a makeup look for it on a Cashworthy or Trashworthy episode on my Instagram account, where I do my face on my Insta stories and review every product that I use. And then when I actually was done, we were going out and I had to go out with the makeup look that I was wearing, which is very crazy for me because that's not what I do. I like very natural makeup when I go out, or if it's full glam then it has to be neutral. I don't like color, I don't like eyes on me, so I keep it toned down. So I wore it out like all night, and then I looked in the mirror at the end of the night. I was like, but what? There's something going on here. I was just like shook, and I was like, okay, I'm definitely going to be wearing that foundation more often. So yeah, falling in love, and that's why I decided, okay, let me try all of these nude products that I got because I love foundation. Using my Holy Grail flash case, using the white and the yellow. My battery died of my phone, of my camera, and now the foundation is already set, and I can literally feel like how tight it's sitting when I apply my concealer. Like I try to drag it, but it's just like doesn't want to go. But at least it's comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel tight. I can feel I'm wearing something, but it doesn't feel that bad. So guys, I use my Holy Grail flash case again, the brown in here, to just apply my cream contour, and now I'm going to blend it in. Yes, I love it. Going back in with my powder contouring palette in the medium to dark, I am going to be adding this brightening powder underneath my eyes. And then these two bronzer shades, just setting my contour. And now using this terracotta blusher, this is 01 Pleasure. Ooh, gorgeous. Using this on my cheeks and into my highlighter. Using a more precise brush. Ooh, yes. Yes. Going back in with my purple. Applying that underneath my eye. Oh, there's a mirror in here, yes. And then going in with the softer shades, the light purples, applying that in the middle. Taking the white in this palette and just intensifying by creating a line in the middle. Using this super light shade again, applying that on my brow bone. Using the Note mascara, I'm going to be applying this on my top and bottom lashes. Why am I so theatrical, you say? Theatrical. Who's giving me life? You are. Goodness. The whole Note. What the hell? Now I'm just going to be taking my foundation brush and blocking out my lips. Using the powder in here to just set this. And then taking the Note lipstick in Black Violet. This is the rich color lipstick. And I'm just going to apply this in the inside of my lips. Now taking any one of your favorite glosses, this is just a clear gloss. Just gonna take some of this purple shadow and apply it inside my lips. So this just adds a bit of depth when your lips are closed, gives it more of a plumpier look. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm really quite obsessed with this lip. I don't know if I'd wear it out though because I can't wear lip gloss out. So I'd probably just skip the lip gloss. But now that my hair is tied, it won't be much of a problem. So guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you try this out for yourself. This eyes is definitely giving me some Kim K Met Gala vibes, and I am so feeling this lip. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon.